Guys, it's really beautiful. Oh my gosh. I don't like the color orange, but it's awesome. I think it's gonna be that side, right? Wait, let me check. If it was on that side, it would be even more good, but oh my god. Oh, I think it's happening. I think it's happening. Ooh, oh my god, I'm scared. I don't like loud sounds. Oh! Wow! Whoa! 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 Guys, I don't like loud sounds, but this is awesome. Like, oh my god. I don't think I should open this. It'll be louder. Okay. Where is it happening? I think it's happening there. Whoa! That was a big one. And that was small, but it was so pretty. Oh my god. Wait. Oh my god. Wait, I'm just checking. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. It was over there. It's happening there, but it's only like red thingies, but but yeah. Wow, 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 wow. There was a small red one. I like red and yellow. Whoa, whoa. Where it happened? Oh my god, this is so pretty. I can't believe it. Like, this is why I like New Year's. It's like my favorite year. I know it's not even a new year, but yeah. Wait. Huh. Ooh, there was one over there. Wow, wow. It's only happening there, nowhere else. Let me just see. Whoa! What was that? I can hear a kid crying, bro. R.I.P. kid, because I think that kid is scared. Even though I'm a 13-year-old, I'm still scared of these things. Like, whoa. I hate loud sounds. Like, yeah. Loud sounds is the first thing I hate the most. Oh my god. Wait. I don't want to stay near. I'm really scared, bro. I don't get it. Where is it happening? I can hear loud sounds, but... Oh. What just happened there? One of them just happened there. Oh, I wish there was a big one. Like, not loud, but it would sparkle in a like very pretty way, and it was really big. I swear to God, if something is loud, I'm gonna get a heart attack. Oh my god. I don't want to stop the video because if I do, then there will suddenly be a pretty one. And then I'll be too late by like recording it because I'm playing Minecraft right now. I was playing Minecraft and then I was just like, yeah. Bro, it sounds like an explosion, yeah. It sounds like Bangladesh, like they're giving bombs in Bangladesh. And guys, if you didn't know, I'm Bangladeshi, so yeah. Let it go. Wait. It's not happening anywhere, bro. Okay. So I don't think it will happen. Bye, guys.